Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Eltis. One of the frequent questions I get from parents is, when should I bring in my kid for his first eye exam? Well, the truth is, it's never too early to have them brought in. Now, some of you think, well, they can't even really read the chart, they don't know numbers, or they sometimes are too shy to read out pictures. It doesn't really matter. We can have an eye assessment at any age. We can use some objective means, meaning that they don't really have to interact with us. We can find out some very important things. Unfortunately, even babies can have very serious eye problems, which, left untreated, can cause permanent vision loss. So it's very important to bring in your baby or your child as soon as you can and let an eye care professional take a look at them. Sometimes kids need a little extra time, or sometimes we'll split the exam between two different dates, but it's always important to get an assessment of where they are and make sure that everything's okay for their age group.